Hello, I'm Chef Juriaan Snellen, the Executive Corporate Chef at McCormick Canada, and I'd like to welcome you to the Clubhouse Kitchen. Today, we're looking at how Clubhouse lemon pepper can be the key to your kitchen. Clubhouse lemon pepper seasoning is a blend of lemon peel and ground black pepper, a fresh twist of citrus and pepper for almost any dish. Try it on fish, veggies, and even sandwiches. To show you just a few amazing ways I use lemon pepper seasoning, I'll be making some lemon pepper tossed green bean fries with a lemon pepper aioli to dip and some lemon pepper wings. We'll be keeping it simple with a 3-step process: flour, egg, panko for the green bean fries. We'll add lemon pepper seasoning to the flour and the panko, along with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. So here we go: flour, egg, panko. Now it's time to fry. These are perfect. And now I'll toss them in a bit more lemon pepper seasoning. I also fried up some wings that I will toss in a bit more lemon pepper seasoning, and I'll add some lemon pepper seasoning to this aioli to give it a bit of a zesty kick. The balance of zesty and spicy is amazing. I am going to enjoy this flavorful meal. For more information and recipe inspiration, visit clubhouseforchefs.ca. Contact your local McCormick rep to order your Clubhouse products today.